When the world's wealthiest talk Bitcoin, it's time to listen. Beyond the hype, the 1% see cryptocurrency as more than a trend. It's a strategic move. Their perspective on Bitcoin isn't just intriguing, it's a roadmap for the rest of us. Let's uncover what the financial elite think about Bitcoin and why it matters to everyday investors. Let's take a moment to spotlight some of the most influential members of this elite group and their stances on Bitcoin and crypto. Cathie Wood. The visionary behind ARK Invest, Cathie has been a vocal advocate for Bitcoin. She sees it not just as a currency, but as a new asset class. With her belief in its potential to reach staggering valuations, she's been steering her investment strategies with a keen eye on the crypto horizon. Mark Cuban. The Shark Tank star and Dallas Mavericks owner once said he'd rather have bananas than Bitcoin.
I'd rather have bananas. Crypto, not so much.
But oh, how times have changed. Cuban now embraces the decentralized future, investing in crypto projects and even accepting crypto payments for Mavericks tickets. Kevin O'Leary. Mr. Wonderful wasn't always so wonderful about Bitcoin, initially dismissing it as garbage.
It is a useless currency. That's what I believe. I realize people have different opinions, but to me, it's garbage.
However, the allure of decentralized finance won him over, and now he allocates a portion of his portfolio to Bitcoin, emphasizing its value as a hedge against inflation. Michael Saylor. The CEO of MicroStrategy turned heads when his company acquired a significant amount of Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Saylor is a firm believer in Bitcoin's potential to serve as a store of value, often likening it to digital gold. The Winklevoss twins. Remember the guys who once battled Mark Zuckerberg over the origins of Facebook? Cameron and Tailor Winklevoss are major players in the crypto space with their exchange, Gemini. They've been Bitcoin bulls for years, often emphasizing its potential to disrupt traditional finance. Brian Armstrong. As the CEO of Coinbase, one of the largest crypto exchanges, Armstrong's belief in a crypto-first financial system is unwavering. He envisions a world where economic freedom is accessible to all through the power of digital currencies. These magnates, with their vast resources and sharp financial acumen, see something in Bitcoin. While their endorsements are no guarantee of success, their involvement does hint at the broader acceptance and potential staying power of crypto in the financial landscape. The practical approach to crypto. All right, let's take a step back and get real for a moment. While it's tempting to get lost in the glitz and glamour of high-end endorsements, it's crucial to remember that the crypto world isn't just a playground for the uber-rich. It's a vast, dynamic space, and there's room for everyone. But how do you navigate it without getting burned? First and foremost, balance is key. Diving headfirst into the crypto pool without a life jacket isn't just risky, it's reckless. It's essential to understand that while the stories of overnight crypto millionaires are enticing, they're the exception, not the rule. Most people won't wake up to find themselves suddenly swimming in Bitcoin riches. But here's the silver lining. You don't need to bet the farm on crypto to benefit from its potential. Consider adopting a more holistic approach to wealth generation. Ever thought about starting a business? Whether it's a tech startup or a local service-based venture, like a roofing company or driveway sealing, there's money to be made. And here's the kicker. The profits from these ventures can be reinvested into crypto, allowing you to benefit from the best of both worlds. In essence, it's about creating multiple income streams. By diversifying your investments and sources of income, you're not just putting all your eggs in the crypto basket. You're building a robust financial foundation that can weather the storms and capitalize on opportunities, be it in crypto or elsewhere. Multiple income streams, the smart way forward. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's age-old advice, but when it comes to financial stability and growth, it's golden. Let's dive into why diversifying your income sources is not just smart, but essential in today's unpredictable economy. Imagine this. You're on a boat, and you have one big sail. It's great when the wind is blowing in the right direction, but what happens when it changes? You're left stranded. Now, imagine having multiple smaller sails. One might not catch the wind, but the others could. That's the power of multiple income streams. They ensure that even if one source dries up, others can keep you afloat. Now, let's get practical. Service-based businesses are a fantastic way to generate a steady flow of income. Think about it. Services like plumbing, landscaping, or even digital marketing are always in demand. These aren't glamorous, headline-making industries, but they're reliable. And the best part? They'd often require minimal upfront investment. Once you've got a steady business income, it's time to think about reinvestment. Instead of splurging all your profits, consider channeling a portion back into the crypto market. This strategy allows you to benefit from the potential highs of the crypto world while having the stability of a traditional business. In essence, it's about playing both the short and long game. By diversifying, you're setting yourself up for consistent growth, come rain or shine. And in the volatile world of finance, that's a win. The beginner's mindset: always be learning. In the ever-evolving world of crypto, there's one trait that stands out as invaluable: the beginner's mindset. Remember the first time you heard about Bitcoin or Ethereum? That mix of curiosity, excitement, and a thirst to understand? That's the energy we're talking about. The crypto landscape is vast and constantly shifting. New tokens emerge, technologies advance, and market dynamics change. In such a scenario, resting on one's laurels can be a recipe for disaster. It's easy to feel like a pro after a few successful trades, but overconfidence can blind us to new opportunities or potential risks. Now, this doesn't mean second-guessing every decision or being paralyzed by fear. It's about maintaining a healthy respect for the market's complexities. It's about acknowledging that there's always more to learn. And do better to learn from than the experts, those who've weathered the storms, seen the patterns, and have the scars to prove it. Listening to seasoned investors provides invaluable insights. They offer perspectives you might not have considered, strategies you haven't encountered, and cautionary tales that are lessons in disguise. In the end, the crypto journey is as much about personal growth as it is about financial growth. So keep that hunger for knowledge alive, stay humble, and remember, in the world of crypto, every day is day one. When we talk about the world of crypto, the insights from the industry's top players aren't just fascinating, they're invaluable. Let's distill some of the wisdom from the one we've discussed and see how their perspectives can guide our own crypto journey. Cathie Wood. Cathie's bullish stance on Bitcoin is well known. She emphasizes the importance of understanding the technology behind crypto. Her advice? Don't just chase trends, understand the fundamentals. If you believe in the tech, short-term market fluctuations won't shake your confidence. Mark Cuban. Cuban's journey from a crypto skeptic to an enthusiast is a lesson in itself. He underscores the value of adaptability and staying updated. In a rapidly changing field like crypto, being rigid can be costly. Be open to new information and be ready to pivot. Kevin O'Leary. Mr. Wonderful's pragmatic approach to crypto is a reminder that not all investments have to be high risk. Diversify and allocate a portion of your portfolio to crypto, but don't put all your eggs in one basket. Michael Saylor. Saylor's massive investment in Bitcoin speaks volumes. His key insight: think long-term. Crypto, especially Bitcoin, is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience can be rewarding. Winklevoss twins. The twins advocate for the transformative potential of crypto. Their takeaway? Look beyond the immediate gains. Understand the broader impact of blockchain and crypto on society and the financial world. Brian Armstrong. As the CEO of Coinbase, Armstrong's insights are gold. He often talks about the democratizing power of crypto. His advice: stay informed, be part of communities, and remember that crypto is more than just making a quick buck. It's about creating a more inclusive financial system. Incorporating these insights can offer a more holistic approach to crypto. It's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the landscape, believing in the technology, and making informed decisions. After all, in the words of Warren Buffett, though not a crypto enthusiast himself, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So, let's learn from the best and navigate the crypto world with confidence and clarity. The broader picture: crypto in the global economy. Alright, let's zoom out for a moment. Beyond the buzzwords, the skyrocketing prices, and the roller coaster charts, there's a seismic shift happening right under our feet. Bitcoin and its crypto siblings aren't just digital coins you trade for profit. They're reshaping the very fabric of our global economy. Imagine a world where financial transactions are not just faster but borderless. A farmer in Kenya can do business directly with a buyer in Tokyo without hefty bank fees or currency conversion woes. That's the promise of crypto. It's not just a currency, it's a global financial passport. But there's more. Traditional power structures, where big banks and financial institutions hold the reins, are being challenged. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is giving power back to the people. No more middlemen, no more gatekeepers, just peer-to-peer transactions on a transparent ledger. It's revolutionary. And then there's the potential for crypto to democratize wealth. Historically, the financial playground was reserved for the elite. But crypto? It's open to anyone with an internet connection. It's leveling the playing field, offering opportunities for wealth generation to people who've been sidelined for far too long. In essence, the crypto movement is more than just about making a quick buck. It's a financial renaissance. It's about reimagining and reshaping how money moves, how business is done, and who gets to participate in this new global economy. The future? It's decentralized. Personal strategies, tailoring your crypto journey. All right, let's get personal for a moment. While it's fascinating to see how the world's elite navigate the crypto waters, it's essential to remember that their strategies might not fit your boat. Everyone's financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance are unique. So while it's great to take notes from the big players, it's crucial to tailor your crypto journey to your own map. Think of it this way. If you're setting out on a road trip, you wouldn't just blindly follow someone else's route, right? You'd consider your starting point, your destination, the sites you want to see along the way, and how much time you have. Similarly, in the crypto world, you need to chart your own course. Now, this doesn't mean you're on your own. There are a plethora of resources out there. Online courses, forums, podcasts, and yes, even those late-night YouTube deep dives. But remember, continuous education is key. The crypto landscape is ever-evolving, with new developments popping up faster than you can say blockchain. Staying updated isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity. As we wrap up our exploration into the perspectives of the 1%, it's clear that this digital frontier is both exhilarating and complex. From the insights of billionaires to the practical strategies for the everyday investor, there's a wealth of knowledge to tap into. But here's the golden nugget. While it's tempting to get swept up in the crypto wave, it's essential to paddle with both enthusiasm and caution. Think of it as a thrilling roller coaster ride. It's fun, it's exciting, but you also want to make sure you're buckled in safely. So, what's the game plan? Stay informed. The crypto realm is ever-changing, and the best way to navigate it is by keeping your finger on the pulse. Stay curious, ask questions, seek answers, and never stop learning. And most importantly, make decisions based on thorough research. Remember, in the world of investments, knowledge truly is power. To all our crypto enthusiasts out there, here's our call to action. Dive in, but dive smart. The crypto ocean is vast, but with the right tools and mindset, you can chart a course to success. Safe travels on your crypto journey.